something that has helped me immensely has been writing. Just pick a pen and paper and start to write. Scribble your thoughts. And what I find absolutely amazing about this practice is that it's so simple, but it almost forces you to organize your thoughts. If I were to, there are so many people whose thoughts wander all over the place. It's the natural state with almost all of us now. There are so many thoughts in our minds, right? Because there are so many inputs going into our minds. Instagram feeds, LinkedIn, Facebook, emails, newsletters, podcasts, YouTube, whatever. There are so many inputs going into our minds, and therefore our minds keep throwing random thoughts all day long. And if in such a state of mind, if I ask you to simply sit and meditate, what will happen is your thoughts will wander all over the place, and maybe you sit for an hour. I do not imagine such a person sitting for an hour in meditation, but whatever. If you sit in meditation, it's only going to be like your normal walking, waking life. You will just be thinking about overthinking. And therefore, what I prescribe initially for everyone is to pick a pen and paper or open up your laptop and your notes app and just start to write. Scribble your thoughts. And you will see that if you're someone who overthinks, if you're someone who gets random thoughts all over the place, when you start to write, you will have to organize your thoughts. And even if your first 5, 6, 7 pages are absolute garbage, by the 8th page, you're very likely to actually have a real solution to the question that you were asking. Or you might have the real question that you need to answer.